Today, I am reviewing the Valerion StreamMaster Plus2 4K laser projector. If at any time you like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Valerion StreamMaster Plus2 is not just another 4K projector. It represents a massive leap forward in what we can expect from a home cinema and gaming hub. After spending considerable time testing its capabilities, I can confidently say that this device bridges the gap between high-end professional cinema setups and ultra-responsive gaming monitors. Most projectors on the market today fall into a specific niche. They are either great for movies but terrible for gaming, or they are bright but lack color depth. The StreamMaster Plus2 manages to conquer both territories with impressive authority. The first thing you notice when you fire up this machine is the sheer speed. Under the hood, it features the AI 9618 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. To put that into perspective, most typical smart projectors only offer half that memory. This hardware advantage is immediately apparent in the user interface. Navigating through Google TV is incredibly snappy. Apps launch instantly, and 4K streaming content buffers and plays without any of the stuttering or lag that often plagues smart projectors. It feels more like using a high-end smartphone than a projection device. Visual performance is where the triple laser technology really shines. The color reproduction is stunning, covering 110% of the rec. 20/20 color gamut. This results in reds and greens that are so vibrant they look almost three-dimensional. When you watch IMAX Enhanced content, you're getting up to 26% more image area, and combined with the Dolby Vision and HDR10 support, the dynamic range is breathtaking. The contrast ratio of 10,000 to 1, supported by enhanced black level technology, ensures that dark scenes in movies actually look black rather than a muddy gray. Even in scenes with complex lighting, the dynamic tone mapping adjusts in real time to make sure you do not lose detail in the highlights or the shadows. For the gaming community, this projector is a revelation. It is rare to see a 300-inch display offer a 4 milliseconds input lag and a 240 Hz refresh rate. Playing fast-paced shooters or racing games on a screen this size with zero perceivable delay is an experience that traditional televisions simply cannot match. The dedicated gaming modes, like the FPS mode with enhanced night vision crosshairs, actually provide a competitive advantage by making targets in dark corners much easier to spot. It handles high frame rate gaming with a fluidity that makes it feel like a professional-grade gaming monitor, just on a much larger scale. The setup process is remarkably intelligent. You do not have to spend an hour fiddling with manual dials. The AI-driven automatic focus, keystone correction, and obstacle avoidance work seamlessly. If you have a picture frame or a light switch on your wall, the projector identifies it and scales the image perfectly to fit the available space. This level of smart automation, combined with voice control through Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit, makes it feel like a truly integrated part of a modern smart home. The audio quality is equally impressive, featuring Dolby True HD Atmos and DTS HD Master Audio. While many users will eventually connect this to a dedicated surround sound system, the internal audio processing provides a wide, immersive soundstage that fills the room right out of the box. Whether you're scaling the image down to 50 inches for a casual bedroom setup or pushing it to its full 300-inch limit for a backyard movie night, the 2000 ISO lumens keep the image bright and punchy even if there is some ambient light in the room. In conclusion, the Valerion StreamMaster Plus2 is a powerhouse that justifies its position at the top of the market. It offers the perfect blend of cinematic color accuracy, professional-grade gaming performance, and effortless smart features that make it a joy to use every single day.